This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So we have three types of apps are available. One is called like Canvas app and a model driven app and portal. So which scenario I need to go to the Canvas app, and which scenario I need to go to the model driven app, which scenario I need to go to the portal. So basically Canvas app for all the business needs. What is the meaning of all the business needs? For example, I need to connect with SQL server. I need to connect with SharePoint. I need to connect with like Salesforce. I need to connect with any other databases. Only can support Canvas app because Canvas app can support multiple data sources. Canvas app can support multiple data sources. Just wait. Canvas app can support multiple databases, multiple data sources, and multiple databases. And Canvas app can support user-defined tasks for all the business needs, for all business needs. But what is the meaning of all the business needs? For example, I'm going to create SBI registration form. No registration. Click on next. So I need to create this form. So which form is better? Either Canvas or model driven or portal Canvas. Or we are creating the user defined form. This is called user interface. So when I want to create a user defined form or specific task, I need to go to the Canvas app. And another advantages of Canvas app, Canvas app can support different connectors. Canvas app can support different data sources with at a time. Data sources at a time. Like model drive. So Canvas app can support versioning. What is the meaning of versioning and what is the meaning of connector? So connectors are two types. Connector is nothing but software component. We have two types of connectors. One is managed, second one is unmanaged. What is the meaning of managed? Second one, what is the meaning of unmanaged? Managed is nothing but same front-end application and same back-end application. What is the meaning of same front-end? What is the meaning of same back-end? For example, .NET. .NET is a Microsoft product. SQL Server is also Microsoft product. Both are same front-end, same back-end application. So when you want to interact with same front-end or same back-end or same front-end to same front-end, that is called managed. Unmanaged. And what is the meaning of unmanaged? For example, I have .NET. I need to store the data in SAP or Oracle or mainframe. These are unmanaged connection. Unmanaged connection. PowerApp connectors. PowerApp connectors can support managed and unmanaged connections also. Managed, unmanaged connections also. So Our connector is nothing but software component. When you want to interact with, Power App to external resource. For example, I have Power App application. I have Power App application. This is the tablet or mobile. These are Power App applications. Okay. I have different data sources like Salesforce, MySQL, Oracle, like Teradata, something. Client requirement. Our data front-end application is like username, password, like first name, last name, middle name, something. I am designing this form in Canvas here. Now, now, now I need to store the data in Salesforce or Teradata or mainframe or Oracle. How to communication using with Salesforce connector, using with mainframe connector, using with Oracle connector, using with like SQL connector. So this is called nothing but connector. Power App to other database. What is the meaning of connector? Connector is nothing but like a software component. When you want to interact with Power App to any other external resources. What is the meaning of resource? Oracle is external resource, SAP is external resource, like mainframe is external resource, like these are all are external resources. So this is called nothing but connector. Power App connectors can support like managed and unmanaged connections also. Okay. So these are Canvas app. What is the purpose of model train and versioning? What is the meaning of versioning? Versioning is nothing but maintain the backup. What is the meaning of backup? For example, today I am deploying one application, one Power App application in production. Okay, I am deploying one application in production, but this app is not working properly. Again, I need to restore the previous version. So client is previous version because this Power App is not working properly. For example, today they are giving requirement like username, password, confirm, captcha. But tomorrow client is asking no need to require captcha, just username, password, login button. So okay, so username, password, login button is the previous version, but latest version is a username, password, and captcha. Okay, but client is asking like no need to require captcha, just username and password. So I need to restore the previous version. So Canvas app will maintain the versioning. For example, today I am uploading resume in Naukri. So what is the version 1.0? Okay. Tomorrow I modify some changes like I'm adding another project. So that is the versioning 1.1. So day after tomorrow I am changing my salary structure and experience and the company name and everything. That is 1.0. But I'm not getting any calls after changing the salary, after changing the company name, anything. Now I need to restore 1.0. So Canvas app will maintain the versioning. Versioning is nothing but maintain the previous backup. So this is the Canvas app. What is the use of Canvas app? Canvas app specifically can support the user-defined task for all the business states. Canvas app can support the different connectors, and connectors also can support like managed and unmanaged also. Canvas app can support different data source at a time. Canvas app can support versioning also. So that is the concept of Canvas app in the Power App. So any doubts in Canvas app? Venkat, Charan, Srileka, Josna, Ramu, Naveen, Uday Reddy, like Rama. Any doubts? Please message or please unmute. Any doubts, Rajshekhar?
No, sir.
Any doubts, Ramu? Any doubts like Uday Reddy or Venkat? Okay. So now I'm going to thank you, Rajshekhar. So now I'm going to explain that model driven app. So what is the basic purpose of model driven app? Model driven app can support graphical representation. What is the meaning of graphical representation? Like charts, like charts, okay. So model driven app can support graphical representation. What is the meaning of graphical representation? Like charts, dashboards, like like tablet reports, and forms. And model driven app, it is a very important point. Model driven app can support data hours. Model driven app cannot support connectors, data connectors. Model driven app cannot support versioning. So these are interview question, very important interview question. What is the difference between Canvas app and a model driven app? So these are basic difference of Canvas and a model driven app. When you want to display the data in a graphical representation, like for example, I want to show the report to the customer, like charts or dashboards or tablet reports and forms. I am going to provide the graphical. I am going to provide the model driven app. Model driven app can support data hours. Model driven app cannot support data connectors. Model driven app cannot support versioning also. Like that is the meaning of data hours. So now I'm going to explain. For example, what is the data hours? So this is called data hours. This is called connector. So for example, data bus and connectors. This I am going to. Okay. Data bus is a internal storage. Internal storage. Data bus is a internal tables. Internal tables. Like connector is a external communication. external communication. Like collector is a external data sources or tables. Okay. So data bus is nothing but internal database. Power app and Power Platform will maintain the default database that is called Dataverse. Dataverse is the database. Dataverse is a internal Power Platform database. What is the meaning of database? Database is nothing but tables, rows, columns, relationship. So model driven app can support only for data work. For example, I have SAP, I have Salesforce. I want to interact with SAP to Salesforce in model driven app. It's not possible because model driven app scope is only dataverse, not external database. But Canvas app scope is external database and dataverse also. Dataverse also. So these are model driven app and Canvas app difference. Like model driven app can support dataverse. Dataverse is nothing but internal database. Model driven app cannot support the data connectors. Model driven app cannot support the versioning also. That is the purpose of model driven app. When you want to create the data with graphical representation like chart, like pie chart, line chart, tabular report, dashboards, I will go to the model driven app. When you want to create the user-defined forms and particular business specification tasks for all the business states, I can go to the Canvas app. So this is called difference between Canvas and the model-driven app. Now I am going to the portal. So portal is a new concept in our platform. Power platform. So portal is a website. Simple, I'm telling. Portal is a website. Simple. Portal is a website. What is the meaning of website? Website is nothing but collection of pages, and HTML and images. So this is called portal. Portal is a website. It will maintain the internal users or external users. What is the meaning of internal? What is the meaning of external? For example, I am a TCS employee. Okay. So I am a TCS employee. So that is called I am an internal user of TCS. But I am also access the TCS website www.tcs.com, tcs.com, careers.com. I'm also able to access the TCS website in outside also. This is called external user. Now I am an external user. If I am TCS employee, that is called internal user. So portal also can support. Our platform portal can support external users and internal users also. That is the types of apps in Power Platform. One is called Canvas app and model driven app and portal. So now how to create the Power Platform account? Just you can go to sign up account. Just I'm going to enter. So enter email ID. Click on next. Set up account. So enter first name like any name. Like for example today 25 07. Last name today, business phone number, like company name TC, company size like 2 to 4 people, United States, India, 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 click on next, so send verification code, one seven 5916. Click on verify, like, so click enter today 2507, can save, like password @123, confirm password, click on next. So now you are getting to the Office 365 account. Yeah. So now I'm getting to the Office 365 account. So this is the confirmation details, like middle name, address line, for example, last name Hyderabad, city Hyderabad, state Telangana, Telangana. Like click on say postal code 52235 something. Click on save. So everything is cloud. No need to installation any requirements. So your phone number something. You can save. Yeah, get started. Now I'm creating the Office 365 account. One Office 365 account can support SharePoint, can support PowerApp, can support Power Platform like Power Automate, Power Virtualization, and as well as can also support Azure DevOps also. So this is called nothing but single sign-on. What is the meaning of single sign-on? Single sign-on means I'm able to log in one Office 365 portal. It can support all the services, related services. Like continue. So user domain, edge setup. Like now, this is called app launcher. This is called app launcher. Click on this one. We have SharePoint. So PowerPoint, the no teams, all features are available. Just you can go to just you can go to Power App. Power App. Other like you can go to like Power App login, Power App login. It will take some time for loading purpose. So no code in Power App. Click on sign in. So this is called your Power App home page. At the same time, you can log in with Powerautomate. Powerautomate. Powerautomate login. Sign in. Yeah. So this is also Powerautomate and Power App, and you can log in with SharePoint also, like SharePoint. You can with open new tab. So this is called your SharePoint site. This is called SharePoint site. SharePoint is also browser-based enabled technology. SharePoint is a browser-based enabled technology and collaboration and content management and external platform from the Microsoft. So what is the meaning of SharePoint? SharePoint is a browser-based enabled technology, collaboration and content management and extendable platform from the Microsoft. So we have different types of connectors here. For example, we have different types of connectors like see here we have different types of more like different types of data sources here. When I want to create a so Dataverse and SharePoint and Excel and SQL Server and image, click on more data sources. So when you click on new connection, so you can communicating with Amazon and Box, Dropbox. So we have different types of connections like Amazon and Apache, Box, DB2, Dropbox, and Dynamics 365, Dynamics Navision, and Google Sheet, and like Microsoft Dataverse, MySQL, OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, PostSQL, Salesforce, SharePoint, SQL Server, Teradata, Gendisk. So, for example, we want to create a like a new app, like click on create or click on app. See here, Canvas, model driven portal. Now click on Canvas. Like for example, sample application, sample app. So either tablet or phone. I will create one tablet. Let's get started. So click on skip. So this is called screen. You want to create at the screen, click on different types of screen, blank screen, scrollable, and list, and success, and tutorial, and email. Like email, so default predefined template available. See here. So predefined to subject, message, default functional. So send button, send message. For example, I'm sending today. So this is default my account. So no need to write one line of code also today. And subject hello, Varel, add message, hi, welcome to welcome to Power Apps, Power Apps demo. Now click on send. So now I'm going to Outlook, open new tab. See here, I'm getting message from the Power App. Hello, welcome to Power Apps demo. Welcome to Power Apps demo. So we have predefined templates, and now like different types of components also. For example, we have label component, button, test book, test and input controls like pet and tableau. For example, I want to create the like canvas app. I want to create the, it is called canvas app. Now I'm going to create the like a model driver app, like tab, no app, model driver app. So see here, when you want to create the model driver app, we will need to database to use this feature. Choose create the database and will set up for you. Means, so because I am not creating any data was table. So because model driven app can support for only dataverse. That is the basic difference of Canvas and the model driven app. Canvas app no need to require any dataverse database, but model driven app is required dataverse database. Okay, so this is a mostly important topic of like Canvas app and the model driven app difference. So now I'm going to, so all apps are you can available here. Like you can create the portal. So portal is also required database. Portal is also required database. So this is called the dataverse. Dataverse having the tables and a connection and custom connectors and gateways also. We have AI builder, artificial intelligence functionality like Explorer and a model. So basically, SharePoint is also website and portal is also website. Portal is also website. Portal is also website. I will explain what is the difference between SharePoint and portal. So this is called what type of Power Apps are available. What is the Canvas app? What is the model driven app? What is the portal? What is the connector? So what type of connectors are available in the Power App? How to create the Office 365 account? How to set up the Power App and Power Automate setup? How to set up the SharePoint site? And this how to create the Canvas app in the Power App portal. So this is the today demo. Any doubts regarding this one? Any doubts, Sharan, Chandu, and Josna, and Naveen, and Uday Reddy, and Rama, and Rajshekhar? Any doubts? Rajshekhar, Sharan? Okay. So yeah, Rashekar, please go ahead.
Sir, just we create an apps and what is the
Yeah,
main source
just
of work in it, sir?
pardon.
What is the main source of work here we will do, sir?
So create the app. So for example, you can create the app. Like for example, bank registration form.
We just create that apps in these three models only.
Yes.
Okay.
Apply the formulas.
Yeah, sir.
Create the app and apply the formulas for submission purpose. For example, I have label. Okay. I have button. Okay. So I have test input. Like for example, here first name, F name. Okay. So now submit button, save button. So click on play. So for example, I'm entering the data. When I click on save button, the data need to store the either SharePoint or Salesforce or Oracle database. So you need to create the form and you can write the formulas here. That is the main purpose of like application development and app development, Rashekar. Application development and app development and reports also.
It means we will check the reports also, sir, or else any other
Yeah,
team will see the reports.
yes, develop charts,
After
reports.
you're
After
developing the
yeah, after developing, you can publish to the your report to public portal. Everyone can see the reports. Everyone can see the forms.
if we get any bugs in that, sir, how can we find it?
So they are maintaining Bugzilla process in the real same process. Now, for example, .NET application I am facing those bugs. How to maintain using the Bugzilla portal? Same process. Methodology and agile methodology process, Bugzilla process, it everything is same. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.